wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again! Oh, you guessed it, we're doing story time. Are you excited about story time? Yes? Olivia?
Yay, story time!
Oh, and we have a special guest here, don't we? But you don't see that person. That special guest is you! Yeah! Do you see me? Right there! You are sitting right in front of me! Are you excited about the story we're gonna do? Because today, we're doing a Thanksgiving story. Ooh, Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays, if not my favorite, because it's all about family. Family coming together and celebrating. And eating good food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. But it's also about spending time with your brother and sister, your father and mother, and maybe even aunts and uncles, cousins, and especially grandmother and grandfathers. So, let's see what story we are going to read today. Thanksgiving. John's family planned to go to grandmother and grandfather Rose's home for Thanksgiving. Barbara's family planned to drive to grandmother and grandfather Lane's home for Thanksgiving. Then, on the day before Thanksgiving, came the first big snow of the season. The snow came down faster and faster. The wind howled and blew whoosh, whoosh, the snow into big drifts. Barbara's father came home from work early. "We're so glad to have you home safe and sound," Barbara's mother said. "I'm afraid I have bad news," Barbara's father said. "I telephoned grandmother and grandfather Rose. The storm is even worse where they live. We won't be able to go there for Thanksgiving. Oh no!" Barbara tried not to cry, but she was very, very disappointed. "No, but I wanted to see Grandma and Grandpa." The same thing happened at John's house. John's father said, "Oh, I'm afraid I have bad news. I telephoned grandmother and grandfather Rose. The storm is much, much worse where they live. We won't be able to go there for Thanksgiving." John was sad too, just like Barbara. They were very, very sad and disappointed. But then, Barbara's mother had a good idea. She telephoned John's mother. "Hi, I have an idea to make John and Barbara happy." "Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do that." When Barbara's mother finished talking, she turned to Barbara. "John and his parents are coming here for Thanksgiving dinner," she said. "We'll have fun. Just you wait and see." When John and Barbara's parents came together, they all decided to go in the kitchen and cook together. John's father and Barbara's father prepared the turkey, while John's mother and Barbara's mother prepared the pies. They had made an apple pie and a pecan pie, and most important, the pumpkin pie. And the turkey was so big that at first it didn't fit into the oven. Oh no! What are we supposed to do? I have an idea, said John's father. why don't we grill it outside in our special grill just for turkey? And they did. Even though it was cold outside and snowing and the wind was howling, the turkey was inside a pressure cooker that grilled and was all a lot of fire. Whoa. While back inside the kitchen, in the real oven, there was the sweet potato dish and the mashed potatoes and stuffing. John's mother and Barbara's mother had to watch out so nobody would eat anything before the actual dinner. Then they waited while everything was being prepared in the oven and outside on the grill. And while they were waiting, they were talking and they lost track of time. Oh no! I smell smoke! I think the turkey's burning! John's father and Barbara's father quickly ran outside. And they took out the turkey, and it was all black. No. What are we going to do without a turkey on Thanksgiving? But Barbara's mother always had another turkey inside the fridge for these moments. She came prepared. This time, she made the turkey and put the stuffing inside and put it into the oven. And so they had to wait again for some longer time while all the other food was ready and prepared. All of the tummies were growling. They were hungry. But they waited for that turkey dinner. And then they all sat down around the dinner table and held hands and said, "I'm thankful that Grandma and Grandpa are safe at home. And I'm thankful," said John's mother, "that we are here to celebrate with your family Thanksgiving today. And I'm thankful for this wonderful and yummy food," John said. "And I'm thankful that you are all my best friends," said Barbara. The end. Well, kids, what are you thankful for on the day of Thanksgiving? Do you know? You should share with your family. Tell it to your mom and your dad, and even your brothers and sisters. Share it with everybody, and remember, I'm thankful for having all these great friends here. Elmo and Peppa and Mickey. Most especially, I'm thankful for you, Fluffy. And of course, Olivia. You thought I was going to forget you.
I thought you did forget me.
I would never. You're the best sister I can have.
Aw, thanks, Noah. You're the best brother.
Thank you. That's what I'm thankful for. And I hope you are thankful too. Oh, and I forgot. Olivia, we're thankful to have you too. You kids out there.
Aw, yes I am.
We really love you all. And we wish you a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a great time. Eat some good food. And remember, family is always there for you. So, good night. Sleep tight. And you all out there, whoever's watching today, don't ever forget to dream again. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below.